Alright, you dirty wrench-humping sons of mothers. It's time to get down and dirty with some real truck shit. Today we're diving into replacing your truck's godforsaken air dryer assembly. Follow me as I dive right into it. We're going to kick things off by loosening the nuts right next to each other on that filthy catwalk. Once we've yanked those nuts from both sides, we're diving into the real dirty work. We'll start by unscrewing these 3 special nuts right here, but before we get balls deep into that, we've got to rip out those airline tubes that are getting in the way. Gonna grease things up a bit because it's getting damn hard to screw those last tubes off. As you can see, we're going to need some real muscle to properly rip off the rest of these connections and slap them onto the new air dryer. Let's not forget to lather that baby up proper. As we saunter our asses back to the truck, it's time to slap that shiny new air dryer onto this bad boy. Grab that heavy hunk of metal and wrench it back into place, making this truck close to whole again. Alright, time to give you the lowdown on where those damn gauges need to be. Check it out, we're sitting at a big fat 0 because we drained the tank dry. Those gauges are going to want to climb all the way up to 50, then hustle their asses up to 100, with 125 being the sweet spot we're aiming for.